Part 14, Mastering HTML Forms and Input Attributes. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will explore the intricacies of HTML forms and input attributes. Forms are essential for collecting user data, whether for registrations, feedback, or online purchases. This guide will cover each form element, its purpose, attributes, and practical examples to help you build effective and user-friendly forms. What are HTML forms? HTML forms are interactive sections of a web page that allow users to input data and send it to a server for processing. They are crucial for applications like login systems, surveys, and e-commerce sites. Understanding how to create and manage forms is vital for any web developer. 1. Form tag, the foundation of HTML forms. The form tag is the cornerstone of form creation in HTML. It encapsulates various input elements and defines how data is submitted. Attributes. Action, the URL where the form data is sent after submission. This can be a server-side script or a different page. Method, specifies how to send the form data. The most common methods are: GET, appends data to the URL, suitable for non-sensitive data. POST, sends data in the body of the request, making it more secure and ideal for sensitive information. Example: Form action equals https://example.com/submit form method equals post. Label for equals username/label. Input type equals text, ID equals username, name equals username, required. Input type equals submit, value equals register. /form. 2. Input tag, versatile data entry. The input tag is versatile and can create various types of data fields. Understanding the different input types is crucial for effective data collection. Attributes. Type, defines the kind of input, such as text, standard text input. Password, masked input for sensitive data. Email, validates email addresses. Number, allows numeric input with optional min/max constraints. Checkbox, for Boolean options. Radio, for selecting one option from a group. File, enables file uploads. Submit, button to submit the form. Example: Form action equals https://example.com/upload, method equals post, ink type equals multipart/form data. Label for equals file upload, upload a file/label. Input type equals file, ID equals file upload, name equals file upload, accept equals .jpg, .png, .pdf. Input type equals submit, value equals upload. /form. 3. Label tag, improving accessibility. The label tag enhances form accessibility by providing a clickable label associated with a form element. This is essential for usability and accessibility, especially for screen readers. 4. Connects the label to a specific input element via the input's ID. Example: Label for equals email, email address/label. Input type equals email, ID equals email, name equals email, required. 4. Textarea tag, multi-line text input. The textarea tag allows users to enter larger blocks of text. This is particularly useful for comments, feedback, or descriptions. Attributes. Rows, defines the visible height of the text area. Calls, specifies the visible width of the text area. Example. Form. Label 4 equals feedback, your feedback / label. Text area ID equals feedback, name equals feedback, rows equals 5, calls equals 40, placeholder equals enter your feedback here, /text area. Input type equals submit, value equals submit feedback. /form. 5. Select tag, creating drop-down lists. The Select a tag generates a drop-down menu, allowing users to select one or more options from a list. This element improves the user experience by organizing options neatly. Attributes. Multiple allows selection of multiple options. Example. Form. Label 4 equals fruits, select your favorite fruits / label. Select ID equals fruits, name equals fruits, multiple. Option value equals apple, apple / option. Option value equals banana, banana / option. Option value equals orange, orange / option. /select. Input type equals submit, value equals submit. /form. 6. Button tag, customizable buttons. The button tag is more flexible than the input type equals submit element, as it can include HTML content such as images or icons. Example. Button type equals submit, submit form / button. 7. Field set and legend grouping form elements. The field set tag groups related form elements together, which helps in organizing long forms. The legend tag provides a title for the grouped elements. Example. Field set. Legend account information / legend. Label 4 equals username, username / label. Input type equals text, ID equals username, name equals username, required. Label 4 equals password, password / label. Input type equals password, ID equals password, name equals password, required. /field set. 8. Input validation attributes. Input validation attributes ensure that users enter valid data, enhancing form reliability. Required marks an input as mandatory. Min and max define the numeric range for inputs. Max length limits the number of characters in a text input. Pattern specifies a regular expression that input must match. Example. Form. Label 4 equals age, 18 to 65 / label. Input type equals number, ID equals age, name equals age, min equals 18, max equals 65, required. Input type equals submit, value equals submit. /form. 9. Input type equals hidden, storing information. The input type equals hidden tag allows developers to store information that users don't see, such as user IDs or session tokens. Example. Input type equals hidden, name equals user_ID, value equals 12345. Conclusion. Mastering HTML forms and input attributes is essential for any web developer. Understanding how to create and manage forms allows you to build user-friendly and effective web applications. This tutorial has covered various form elements, their attributes, and practical examples to help you implement forms effectively in your projects. By utilizing these elements correctly, you can enhance user experience and ensure data integrity in your applications.